Hi friends, this is Yenna. Now I am here to share about explaining about digital gas measuring device. Nowadays, so many people are using our gases, but they have faced a lot of problems while cooking due to the insufficient of gas, because the gas cylinders are not transparent, so we cannot measure what amount of gas is remaining while cooking, and also we are also not say the exact amount of the gas in the cylinder. So our team are providing a small device that is very useful to know the amount of the gas in the cylinder. Now, so many of devices are available in market, but they are in analog type or also digital type, but they are not exactly, they cannot say exact amount of the gas in the gas cylinder. My device can be produced more accurate than available in market. Now I'm here to explain about our device that's called gas measuring device. Wait. Gas measuring device. This is our inlet of. Okay, na? It is our project. Now the input of the cylinder. Okay, na? The input cylinder is connected to the tube. While on the pipe, the gas will be flows through the aerometer, and the aerometer will sense the output of that gas stove. Then the microcontroller is used, because of it is acts as a computer or brain of the entire system of this device. Whenever the input and output of the input is goes through it, it will shows the amount of gas will passes through this pipe, that with the help of the LED screen. This is called 7-segmental screen, LED screen. There are number of sequence LED bulbs are there. Due to that, we are using 3000 values assigned in it. Because of that, when the gas is passed through it, the value assigned in this LED screen will be decreases slowly from 3000 to 0. Whenever the input value, whenever the gas flows through it, the value will be decreases. When it comes to 1000, it gives an alert, low gas alert. For example, if we assign 3000 is equal to 3 kgs, when the gas comes into 1 kgs, it will shows 1000 in this LED screen, so that we can easily identify what amount of gas is used remaining in the cylinder. We are providing an LED bulb in this. Whenever the gas is very low, then the LED bulb is glows. Pass. Okay, na? Now I want to explain. I will explain how it will works. That comes see that experiment. When the cylinder is on position, the gas will flows through this pipe, and the value will be indicated in this LED bulb. What amount of gas will be flows. Here we observe that the reading of LED will be decreases. Due to that, the gas is passing through that pipe. So we can observe that slowly the value of LED bulb is decreases. Let us see how it will work. Here the value slowly decreases. When the value comes to 0 or 1000, it will show low alert due to the help of the aerometer. The microcontroller are programmed in this. By using MetaLab, we are assigned a program. It will simultaneously works with the help of the aerometer and LED screen. Here we can observe that when the value is comes to 900 or less than 1000, there is a alert comes in there, low gas alert. We can easily observe how much of amount is gas present in this. So in that 97 grams of 97 grams are available in this cylinder. There is an alert LED light will be glows. Due to that, we can easily identify the gas will going off or insufficient in the cylinder. By using this device, we can easily identify what amount of gas is present without any disturbance or any. We can accurately measure what amount of gas is available in this. Thank you for it.